Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get promo code deals for Easypaisa. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so for this demonstration, I'm going to go to Google, and then in the Google search box, I'm going to type in promo code deals for Easypaisa. Once I've done that, I'm going to hit search. And now inside the Google search results, so we can check out any one of these sites here to get promo code deals. So we've got piccody.com we can click into. We've got, looks like we've only got one third-party site we can check out. So let's go ahead and click on piccody.com. Click allow. So you can see the different deals here. So 14% off, profit, Easypaisa offer, get the deal. 10,000 easy cash loan, get the deal. So to activate any one of these, just click on reveal the code. So for this one here, I'm going to reveal the code here. And as it states here, you'll find the code on the Easypaisa website. What else we got here? 14% off annual profit Easypaisa offer. So to get the deal, go ahead and click on get the deal. And then continue to Easypaisa and activate the 14% off. These third-party sites do change their deals weekly, monthly, etc. So come back at different times to see what other offerings they've got. And these codes do expire as well. So yeah, just come back to this site or these sites in Google to see the latest and greatest promo code deals that they have offering